Hold on, yo. Get your ass out of the street. Come here, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Come here. Come here. Hi. I'm gonna find out where this dog lives, cause he should not be out here. Hello. Whose dog? All right, is my kickstand down? Hold on, puppy. Back up real quick. We're about to figure this out. Hi. Come here. Hi there. What is your... You gotta stop moving. You gotta... Chill out. Alright, hold on. Stop. Oh, hello. What's your name? Al. Hey, Al. Hi. Alright, what's the number say? I'm about to call these people up. Hi. Let me get your digits. Let me get the digits off you. Hi, come here. Oh, Al's not his name. His name is, hold on. Oh, her name is Gemma. Okay, so there's two numbers. It's Al and Tracy. Let me, hang on. Yo, Al, you better answer your phone. Oh. They hung up. Your owner just hung up on me. How does that make you feel? Hi there.
Hello, this is Al.
Hey, Al, I have your dog.
What?
I have your dog.
How do you have my dog?
He was out in the middle of the road, so I pulled over and, yeah. Or she, I guess she, Gemma.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll be right over there.
All right. Oh, hello. Gemma, chill out. No, chill out. I'm being attacked. Where's Al at? It's like a child. Oh, Gemma. Oh my God, she went up to my face. Oh shit. Gemma. Oh. I'm so confused. Is that their owner? I'm assuming that's your dog.
No, it is not my dog.
Oh, it's Quinn.
Yeah, who's your neighbor? I gotta go get. How's it going, Sean?
Pretty good, man.
You were out here for a really long time with my dog.
Yeah.
Have a great night. What happened?
She was just playing around the road, and I pulled up and stopped and I called the owner, Al. He said he'll be here in like a few minutes.
All right. Well, see you later.
See you, man. So is this your dog or? Oh, okay. Oh, I think I called your husband. Oh, okay. Yeah, she was out in the street. Oh my God.
Don't hit the turtle. No. Don't hit the turtle. Come on, buddy. Come on. Ah! Jesus. That was close. Come on. Hey! Oh, fuck. Hey! Come here! That was close. Want some food? Come here, buddy. That stop had a leash and picked it up.
It's a dog. Hey, I stopped.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this cat. It's okay.
He's right here. You got, oh, careful, careful. Oh, okay. Hang on.
I got it. I got gloves on. It's cool. She really going. You okay?
Oh, shit.
All right. Oh. I had it. Hey.
Do you need a push? Yeah, no problem.
You reckon you make it through that gap, or do you want to wait? Yeah? Good. Yeah, you ready? You're gonna make it past that curve?
Yeah. Yeah, we're good on left side.
Just push it. No, don't worry.
There's almost.